Today we're going to take a look at how to write an equation for a line in point-slope form. That form is y minus y1 equals m times the quantity x minus x1. In this equation, m represents the slope, and x sub 1, y sub 1 represents an ordered pair for a point on the line. In the first example, let's look at the information where we have one ordered pair, such as -7, 5, and the slope of the line, 1/2. In this problem, we know that m equals 1/2. That's the slope. X sub 1 would be -7, and y sub 1 would be 5. Again, an ordered pair representing -7 and 5 would show us one x coordinate and the y coordinate. We're going to place them into the formula, and now we have y minus, y1 is 5, m is 1/2, x minus, x sub 1 is -7. One final change, we're going to make this x plus the opposite. Our equation is now in point-slope form. We could change it to slope-intercept form or standard form, and we'll talk about that on a later date. In our second example, we're going to look at a line that goes through the points 2, 5, and -3, 4. To find the equation for this line, we need the slope. To find the slope, we're going to look at the slope formula, which is change in y over change in x. I'm going to subtract my y values in the numerator, which would be 4 and 5. So let's do 4 minus 5, and then in the denominator, our x values, -3 minus 2. If we change our subtraction to plus the opposite, we get -1 over -5. Two negatives make a positive, so our slope is 1/5. We know our slope is 1/5. We now need x, y. X sub 1 and y sub 1. We may use either ordered pair for this. I'm going to use my first ordered pair. In the ordered pair, x is first, y is second. So x sub 1 is 2 and y sub 1 is 5. We'll put these values into the point-slope form of an equation, and we have y minus 5, just substituting in the equivalent value for y sub 1, m is 1/5, and x sub 1 is 2. And here we have our equation in point-slope form.